How to fix Instagram following problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. Go to Play Store or App Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated and then just click update, and after that go back, go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, click apps again and here type Instagram, click on it, go to force stop and go to storage clear cache. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now click clear data, click OK, and then you will need to log in again to your accounts and then restart your phone and try again. And if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.